In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register fixed assets in Xero. Now, this process is fairly straightforward, and I'm going to guide you through each step so you can get it done. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Xero account. Make sure you have your credentials ready to sign in securely. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your central hub for all things accounting related within Xero. It's designed to keep everything you need right at your fingertips. From your dashboard, let's navigate towards the top of the screen where you'll see the menu that says Accounting. Go ahead and click on that option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu populated with several different sections and tools. Among these options, we're focusing on the Fixed Assets section, so make sure to select that from the menu. Once you select Fixed Assets, you're going to be directed to a new page. This page is dedicated to helping you manage all your company's fixed assets efficiently. Here, you will see several tabs, but today, we're particularly interested in the tab marked Draft. When you click on the Draft tab, it will display a list of assets that are currently in draft form. These are the assets that have been recorded initially, but are not yet officially registered within your accounting files. Take a moment to scroll through this list and identify the asset you wish to register. Once you've located the asset, simply select it. Doing so will open a detailed view for you. In this detailed view, you will have access to crucial information pertaining to the asset, such as purchase price, description, and date of acquisition. It is essential to double-check all the included information to ensure its accuracy. This accuracy is not only crucial for the integrity of your records, but is vital for your accounting needs too. Having verified that all details are correct and up to date, look for the option towards the bottom of the page that says Register. With a simple click on Register, Xero will automatically add the asset to your company's registered list. And just like that, Xero takes care of the rest. There you have it. You've successfully registered a fixed asset in Xero. This streamlined process ensures your financial records accurately reflect the assets you own, providing a robust foundation for your accounting needs. By following these steps, you'll find managing your fixed assets becomes a much simpler task. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more accounting tips and tutorials, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, stay organized and keep on top of your financial game.